7:30 border report is up
shit.
next. First, we'll take a look at the BC ferries, and we do only mention sailings half full or more. With the Tsawwassen Sports Bay 7 p.m., it's 80% full. Sports Bay to Tsawwassen 7 p.m. is half full, and the rest of the sailings are well under half. For a complete list, you can take a look at our website, am730.ca.
Travel Insurance Water Reports.
If you're heading south into the States, you're facing minimal waits at all of North Crossings, the Peace Arch, Pacific Highway, Aldergrove, and Sumas Crossings, and northbound